Welcome to Science Online class. Class 5. Subject Science. Unit 3. Topic Energy. Term 1. Okay, now I am going to tell one story. Do you like stories? Yes, I know. Very good. Are you ready to listen? Okay. One girl was there in this story. Her name is Mala. Mala was stood in the row for her morning school assembly. Suddenly she fainted and fell down. Her class teacher rushed to her, took her to the classroom and gave her water to drink. She came to know that Mala had skipped her breakfast. She was given some food and then she came back to normal. Okay dears, what do you understand from the story? Do you know the answer? Yes, very good. We need energy. Okay, we need energy to do our daily activities. Okay, where we get energy? We get energy from the food. Good. In science, energy is defined as capacity to do work. Let us study about different forms of energy and their uses. Now we learn about different forms of energy. We do many works in our daily life. Many of them are done physically. Some works are done with the help of instruments and devices. But they need energy to work. There are different forms of energy like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, wind energy and so on. Let us study about them one by one. Okay, are you ready? Now we learn about mechanical energy. What is mechanical energy? Energy possessed by an object due to its position is called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be classified into two types. One, kinetic energy. Second one, potential energy. What is kinetic energy? Energy possessed by a moving object is known as kinetic energy. It is also known as energy of motion. Example, moving car, cricket ball, bowled by a player, bullet coming out of a gun. Now we learn about potential energy. What is potential energy? Energy possessed by an object which is at rest is known as potential energy. It is also known as stored energy of position. Example, object lifted above, stone in the stretched rubber, water in the dam. Now we learn about uses of mechanical energy. In hydroelectric plants, kinetic energy of water is converted into electrical energy. Windmills convert kinetic energy of winds into electrical energy. Mechanical energy of the hammer is used to apply a force on a nail. Mechanical energy can bring a moving body to rest and make a body at rest to move. Okay, now I ask question about mechanical energy. What is the another name of kinetic energy? Yes, energy of motion. Okay, now we learn about wind energy. What is wind energy? Energy possessed by the wind is known as wind energy. Okay, now we learn about uses of wind energy. Windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. Ships sail by the power of wind. Sports like windsurfing, Sailing, kite surfing use wind energy. Wind energy can be used for pumping water. Okay, now I ask questions about that. Okay, say any two uses of wind energy. Yes, windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. Wind energy can be used for pumping water. Good. Okay, now we learn about heat energy. What is heat energy? When the temperature of a substance is raised, its atoms and molecules begin to vibrate and release a kind of energy. This energy flows from a hot substance to a cold substance. If we put some ice cubes into water in a glass, water becomes cold. It is because heat is transferred from water to ice. Okay, now we learn uses of heat energy. Heat energy obtained from power station is used to generate electricity. Heat energy obtained from petrol and diesel is used to run vehicles. We cook food with the help of heat. Heat energy renders the food materials soft and easy to digest. Hot substances like iron are heated to mold them into different shapes. Heat is used to dry clothes and other wet substances. Okay, now we learn about light energy. Do you know about light energy? How can it travel? Okay, light is a form of energy which travels in the form of wave. It contains a particle called photon, which are the minute packets of energy. It is the only form of energy visible to human eye. Light does not require any medium to travel. It travels at a speed of 3 lakhs km per second. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. Okay? Now, we learn uses of light energy. We are able to see objects with the help of light energy. Plants use sunlight energy to synthesize their food. With the help of sunlight energy, our skin is able to synthesize vitamin D. And electricity can be produced with the help of light energy. Okay, now I ask questions about that. How many minutes sunlight takes to reach Earth? Yes, 8 minutes. Very good. Now we learn about electrical energy. Do you know about that? We know that all things are made up of atoms. Atoms possess particles like protons, electrons and neutrons. Movement of electron in the objects causes an energy. This energy is called electrical energy. In our daily life, we use batteries to get electric energy. Electric energy is also generated from nuclear power plants, hydroelectric plants and windmills. It is also generated from solar energy. Okay, now we learn about uses of electrical energy. Electrical energy is needed for the working of fan, light, television, washing machine, refrigerator, etc. Electric iron box, electric stove and electric water heater work by electrical energy. It is used to run cars and trains. It is used in factories to produce materials. Okay. Now, we learn about chemical energy. Chemical energy is stored in substance when atoms join together to form chemical substances react with each other. This energy is released. Okay. Now we are going to learn uses of chemical energy. The food we eat contains chemical energy. Chemical energy in wood provides heat energy which help us to cook food. Chemical energy in coal is used to generate electricity. Batteries we use in our daily life certain chemical energy. Fuels like petrol and diesel possess chemical energy which is used to run vehicles. Okay, now assignment. Question number 1. How many types of energy and write the names of energy. 2. What is called chemical energy and write any 2 uses. Third one. What is the use of electrical energy? Thank you, dears.